The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Cryptocurrency trading involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making investment decisions. Hey everyone, welcome back to Maxbull Trade on YouTube. We're studying 5 efficient ways to generate money with Binance, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, in today's video as we explore into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. These techniques can help you utilize the potential of cryptocurrencies to increase your wealth, whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started. So let's start right now. The first strategy is spot trading. The simplest type of trading, known as spot trading, involves the direct buying and selling of cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform. You can buy low and sell high to profit from price swings by carefully monitoring market patterns. To make wise selections, always remember to perform thorough study and using tools like technical analysis. Moving on to strategy number 2, day trading. To profit from rapid price changes, day traders place multiple trades in a single day. To take advantage of these quick market swings, attentive chart and indicator monitoring is necessary. Keep in mind that day trading necessitates discipline, a solid trading strategy, and effective risk management. Now, let's explore strategy number 3, swing trading. Swing traders take advantage of medium-term price trends that can last from a few days to several weeks. Unlike day trading, swing trading offers more flexibility and can suit those with busier schedules. It's all about identifying trends and capitalizing on profitable opportunities. Strategy number 4 brings us to staking and yield farming. Staking involves holding certain cryptocurrencies in your Binance wallet to earn rewards and support the network. Yield farming, on the other hand, entails lending your crypto through smart contracts to earn interest. Both methods can provide a passive income stream, but remember to research projects and understand associated risks. Next, strategy number 5, launchpad and ICO investing. Binance Launchpad allows you to invest in early-stage crypto projects, giving you a chance to buy tokens before they hit the market. However, this strategy carries higher risks, so it's vital to carefully vet projects, consider their fundamentals, and invest only what you can afford to lose. If you haven't opened your Binance account yet, why delay? Open your account immediately from the link given in the description. Let's move on to strategy number 6, margin trading. Margin trading enables you to borrow funds to increase your trading position. While it can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses, so it's crucial to understand leverage, risk management, and only use funds you're comfortable with losing. Now, strategy number 7, automated trading bots. These are software programs that execute trades on your behalf based on predefined strategies. While they can save time, it's important to choose reputable bots and continuously monitor their performance. Strategy number 8 brings us to DeFi yield opportunities. Decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols offer various ways to earn yield, such as providing liquidity or participating in lending and borrowing. Research these platforms thoroughly and be aware of potential risks. Last but not least, strategy number 9, education and content creation. Share your crypto knowledge through blogs, videos, or social media. Some platforms reward content creators with crypto tokens, providing an alternative way to earn from your expertise. And there you have it, 9 effective ways to make money from crypto using Binance. Remember, the crypto market is dynamic and can be risky, so start small, keep learning, and stay updated with market trends. Which strategy resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.